You go now, fellas. Here we go. We got the Two Birds Brewing Passion Victim. What they've done here is tried to make a summer beer. And whacked in a few different hops, and they've also added some passion fruit puree, which I found quite strange. Anyway, the other phone just went flat halfway through the video. Well, not halfway through, it just started. Big passion fruit. Straight away, pretty smooth, well balanced. I think you'd have to like passion fruit though, pretty much all you're getting. It's a bit like an alcoholic Passiona. I used to love Passiona when I was a kid. Alright, well that's it. See you quiet Monday afternoon. First beer for the day. Don't think I'll have many, because I haven't got any left. Have to go and get some more or something. Or go back onto the whiskies. Alright, I'll leave you with that. That's not too bad. 5%. Small can, $3.30. $5, you don't get much for $5. But that's alright. Something fresh and tasty and sweet. Something different. I'll leave you with that, fellas. Thanks for that. Have a great day. Enjoy the week.